Yeah, hi, hello, welcome to the Trailhead Badges Solutions YouTube channel. If you're ready to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Your one subscription is a lot to me. So in this video, we are going to complete the challenge of discover that Omnistudio digital sites. And yeah, let's explore Omnistudio layers and on its components. Omnistudio provides a suite of services, components and the data model objects that combine the create industry cloud applications. Those are the first layer is digital experience. So the components are flex cards and the omniscripts. Service management. So in the service management, the components are the data mappers and the integration procedures. Developer experience. In the developer experience, we have that Salesforce command line interface. So this is the diagram. So in which layer what components will have it in Omni Studio. Digital experience layer. So the digital experience layer of Omni Studio helps us to create rich user interactions experience for users. So it includes the flex cards and the OmniScript components that are built in on Salesforce Lightning Web Components. Flex cards. So flex card shows contextual information and actions at a glance in a card like format. So they also show detailed information on demand and provide quick access to common context relevant tasks. For example, in a call center scenario, so when a call center representative interacts with a customer over the phone, the rep can view the customer's information and launch guided process from a flex card during the call. Omniscripts. An Omniscript provides a guided path of completing a business process and a configurable way of creating a seamless customer experience. For example, imagine that a consumer wants to view and update their contact information or apply for a product or service, respond to a survey, and view payments options and use one to pay their bill. The last option, file a dispute for a transaction. So in this series, we can use OmniScript to help the consumer accomplish these tasks so without complicated coding on the back end. So our consumers can also open OmniScripts on any device and via any channel such as mobile device or any online portal. OmniStudio Lightning Components. So OmniStudio Lightning Components is a declarative clicks, not code approach to building and modifying our applications. So when we activate a FlexiCard or OmniScript, it becomes a Lightning Web Component. Thanks to this user interface technology, so we can open OmniScript as flyouts to show additional information. So when select an action in a FlexiCard, so we can also embedded FlexiCards in our OmniScripts. OmniStudio Lightning Web Components also work inside Experience Cloud communities and portals, resize to render correctly on the mobile devices. Service management layer. So the service management layer includes two data services like data mappers and the integration procedures. So data mappers. The data mappers is a tool that helps us read, transform the right Salesforce data. So there are four types of data mappers: turbo extract, load and the transfer. So let's go one by one. So data mapper turbo extract gets the data from a single Salesforce object. Data mapper extract gets data from one or more Salesforce objects. So data mapper load, so saves data to one or more Salesforce objects. Data mapper transform manipulates any data that comes from inside or outside Salesforce. So integration procedures. So integration procedures are declarative server-side process that execute multiple actions in a single server call. Developer experience layer. So the developer experience layer consists of tools for developers or administrators to manage and move changes to OmniStudio between environments. So we can use Salesforce command line interface for deploying Omnistudio components between arcs. So when we are on Omnistudio runtime, if you use the managed package runtime, use Omnistudio build tool. Yeah, so with this we discussed on high level of what are the Omnistudio and what is the layers and what components in it. Okay, so to complete this challenge we have one quiz session. Let's go on the try to complete this session. So what are the three layers of Omnistudio details, right? So as we discussed, those are this one: digital experience, service management, and the delivery developer experience. Yeah, so these are the three layers we all are discussed, right? Digital experience, service management, and developer experience. Here C is the right option. What is the function of data mappers? So data mappers will read, transform on the right of Salesforce data. So D is the right option. Let's go and check the challenge. Yeah, we successfully complete the challenge. We'll catch up with another video with another challenge. Thanks for watching.